Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use preferred networks as 4G mainly. So, 3G and 4G to be honest, because you can set it only to 4G, but yeah, you get the draft. Basically using better networks all the time. So open up your settings on your Android phone and go to mobile network right under Bluetooth. Once you're there, click on mobile data. And here click preferred network mode. So at the moment you can see I've set it to auto to get the better whatever it is available, 2G, 3G, 4G, 0G, 5G. Anyway, so what you need to do is click on either 3G, 2G auto or 3G only. If you click on 3G only though, it will go but never go to 4G, which is better. So having it like this will always have 3G when it's available and won't go down to 2G, but you'll be skipping over to 4G. So have that in mind when you're switching this. But this is pretty much how to do it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.